Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parth Bajaj. I am a home baker. In today's video, we are going to try a very viral trending recipe that is known as cloud bread. It's not technically a bread, but it looks like a bread because of its texture. So let's get started. So for this recipe, we only need three basic ingredients, that is egg whites, corn flour and castor sugar. You can also use granulated sugar or normal sugar, but castor sugar would give a better bread-like texture. And this is, like I said, not a bread, but this is just basically a meringue which is made by whipping up egg whites with sugar and corn flour. So corn flour is basically a thickening agent which will give the nice texture which we want. So I would really recommend using an electric whisk or a stand mixer, but if you don't have that, you might need some help with one of your friends or your sister or your brother or someone, because you will have to whip it continuously to get that perfect stiff peaks consistency. So I would really recommend to use an electric whisk or a stand mixer. So the first step is to preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. We need the oven nice and preheated, that's why we have to do this first, and then we can just move on to the next steps. So in this big mixing bowl, I have taken 110 grams of egg whites, which is roughly 4 egg whites, and I have 12 grams of corn flour over here along with 40 grams of castor sugar. Now there are two optional ingredients. The first one is cream of tartar, which we only need 1 pinch of. If you don't have this, you can just use 1 pinch of salt or 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. And the second optional ingredient is some vanilla essence. You can also use some different type of essence like almond essence or coffee essence, whatever you like. So let's make cloud bread. So after you have turned on your oven, you just have to start beating your eggs at a very low speed until you start seeing it get little foamy, and then we'll add our cream of tartar. After you see the egg white getting a little bit foamy, just add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and then increase the speed by 1. After the volume of egg whites has doubled, you can start adding your castor sugar to this gradually. Then all you have to do is keep adding castor sugar and whip this to soft peaks. After you have reached this consistency, this is basically known as soft peaks, you can add your corn flour and optional vanilla essence. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now whip this up to stiff peaks. So now you can see that we have achieved stiff peaks. This is the time where we'll stop beating the egg whites. So now there's another optional step, that is to divide your meringue into two different bowls. Just like that. And then I'm going to add some gel paste food color, which is again optional. Now I'll be adding some pink food color to one of the bowls and purple food color to other bowl. Now I'll be just gently mixing this color into my meringue. That's it. And now for the second bowl. So now I have properly colored both of these, and now I'm taking a baking tray on which I have lined the parchment paper, and then just pour over your meringue directly onto the baking paper in the center, just like this, and give it a nice shape as per your taste. Now after you have shaped the first one, you can just add the second part. You can just do this with one part also. It's totally up to you. So we have now almost shaped it into a hemisphere. You don't have to be very accurate over here because its shape will slightly change after it goes into the oven. So this is now ready to go into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So our cloud bread is now out of the oven and I really love how it is looking. It's looking like an actual cloud. I don't even expect it to be really tasty, but it's just fun to make and it's really easy to make. Now we'll just have to wait for like 4 to 5 minutes until it slightly cools down before we'll just cut it open. Now our cloud bread has completely cooled down and I'll just carefully remove the parchment paper from the bottom of the bread. Just like this. Be really gentle guys, because this can deflate the air. So we have nicely removed the paper and now I'll just open it. See how beautiful it is from inside. So guys, this was my first time making cloud bread and it was really fun, but I'm really sure that it wouldn't taste as good as it looks. So it's not actually a bread, it's just a fun way to make eggs. So it will definitely taste similar to omelets because it's smelling like eggs. So let's see how it tastes. It's not bad, but it's not good either. So it's like neutral because it doesn't have a lot of flavor. It is really foamy and light and airy, but I wouldn't recommend you making it for breakfast or for dessert. It's just a fun way to make eggs. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope that you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next one.